Hello, it's Markham here from Markham 3D, and today we're going to be creating this thing from Titanfall 2 in, let me just explain, 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 100 minutes. So let's just start. A little bit concerned about this one. I don't think 1 minute's going to be too good, but let's give it a crack. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, straight away, let's go tab into edit mode, GZ, let's move that over, modifiers, let's give it straight away a mirror modifier. I'm just going to go Shift D, put it in there, let's give it some clipping. Alright, okay, this is interesting already. GG to move that down, this is bad. Okay. Let's put in a cylinder. I don't know, let's just make some arms. That's a bit too big. Let's go Alt S to scale inwards like that. Let's put it in there. V to rip, Control L. I'm just gonna kind of just rotate that around in there. What do we got in here? So let's grab this section. G, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you idiot. Let's grab this, GZ, bring that down. Let's grab these vertices as well, bring that down, and let's just... Okay, cancel. Shut up. Nope, stop. Shh. That's our 1 minute there. I'm just going to sheepishly put that out over to the side. Shift S, Curse World Origin. It looks nothing like what we wanted to do. But I mean, there's only so much you can do in 1 minute. Welcome to, if you guys have just joined us, we are going to try and create this robot now in 10 minutes. That first hunk of junk was 1 minute. Let's try and go for 10 minutes. I'm just going to change the timer to 10 minutes. Let me just as well, I got to quickly add something in, which I've completely forgotten. Let's click on soft body. So just so you guys are aware, I've created a new channel that's just all going to be about soft bodies. Let me find it. It doesn't have many subscribers, but if you can, head over to it and hit the subscribe button on that channel. I'm going to be trying to put out 3 to 4 videos a week, but we'll see how everything goes. I'm just going to grab that. Oh my goodness, did I just kill the stream? Beautiful. Alright, so let's now start off. Let me just bring up our keys, just in case somebody wants to semi-follow along somehow. Screencast keys. There we go. Now we've got everything hunky-dory. Press N to get rid of that side panel there. Okay, Shift A to add a new cube. And let's start off. So I'll probably start off with this section. And really this 10 minutes is a more defined blocking, because that's the best thing to probably do, is just block it out, and then when we start the 100 minutes we got a bit of a base. Well, the next 90 minutes. So let's go. Let's start this off. 3, 2, 1. This is gonna be hard. This is like legit hard to do this in an hour. Alright, we ready for the pain? I'm ready for the pain. Okay, let's start. Okay, 90 minutes on the clock. No, you freaking jerk. Get the crud out of me. Shh, 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 shh. Let me just do this. No, shh. No! Shut up. Hang on. That is quite considerably off. In retrospect, that sucks. That truly, like, sucks. I'm actually really disappointed. Far out. Like, we went from the Millennium Falcon. Let me bring up the Falcon. In here. Titanfall challenge. Star Wars challenge. Here we go. Like, this was last week. This gorgeousness was last week. Look at it. That freaking turned out sick. And now I'm to this. Far. Suck.